Hi.
Good evening, Maria. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks. And how are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. Very nice to meet you.
Finally, nice to meet you too.
Yes, sorry, it's just with the camera, but we can't do anything else. We have to.
It's okay. It's okay.
Well, so you have such a great idea, or I mean, Wolf Design at least have such a great idea. I think it's so different, and we spoke a bit already, but we're gonna explain now exactly all those things. I think it's a very nice way of bringing art into people's life, and I really like it. So, could you explain us a bit, because I know that already, but people that are watching us don't know that. Where did it all
Easy
started?
enough. It's easy enough, Jim. It all started with Marco being a plastic artist, really. He really has a degree on it. He studied in Arca, in Coimbra,
Yeah.
a long time ago. Then, obviously, he has done a bit of everything. He done paintings in the beginning.
Yeah.
And I've got my house full of them. And then you asked before on Instagram in the messages why the sneakers?
Yeah.
As you said, and as you very well said, it's a way to get art to people, because nobody these days buy paintings.
Less and less. It's true.
Yeah. So it's an urban way to get to people to see art, and for us, of course, as a company, to sell. So it's been doing very well. We have lots of requests. After one always comes another, and it's a very good thing. And we also do T-shirts and hoodies if people ask, but right now they're asking for the sneakers, so...
So we stick to sneakers.
Yeah, we do sneakers. Marco has lots of T-shirts that he done to himself and family, wonderful things. And that's how it all started, because everyone said... they always like it, every time you wear one, people always enjoy it and like to see it. So that's why we started doing it. And then one day we had his his niece anniversary, and she's like 4 or 5 years old, and we remember ourselves what we'll offer her. And we remember, let's do sneakers for her. And we did such a simple thing with Snoopy and hearts and that, and everyone at the party loved it.
Everyone was jealous. They wanted all the same.
I think it's a unique thing, and when you wear the sneakers on your feet, everyone will look. Everyone will want to know, how do you have that?
It's true.
Unfortunately, we are in quarantine now, so there's no way for them to be out in the street.
Yeah.
Hopefully, when it all ends, and it will be summer, so everyone will go with them to the, to everywhere they go.
Anywhere, yeah.
Because the idea is they can go to the beach, they can go to a party, they can dress with something more casual chic,
Yeah.
You can wear it in any situation. That's why we decided to do it like this. In terms of the art itself, I don't know how to paint even a line. That's Marco's business.
Everyone has their job,
Yes. But as I thought always that he's very good at it, I'm always inputting him to do so.
Yeah.
So here we are with our sneakers, and everyone that we are making them from are enjoying them very much.
Yeah.
We always stay hysterical when they receive them, So,
I can imagine because shoes is something that a lot of people love shoes in general already, and I think the fact that it's also an identity nowadays. When you wear shoes, it defines your character, it defines who you are, and nowadays we see a lot of the same all the time, and this is really where I was amazed about what you're doing, is that none of them are the same. They're all different. And that lets the personality of the people shine even more and express themselves throughout the art of someone else. I think it's such a great concept.
Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. I do hate people that wear always the same sneakers. And when Adidas came out and Stan Smith came out, you see everyone with the same sneakers on their feet. And I just don't like it. I consider myself unique.
Yeah.
My favorite book is How to Be Unique.
Yeah.
Purple Cup by Casey Conrad. So from then on, everything that it is different. It's basically what I like: simple but unique.
Yeah, as well, in the world today, we see that more and more people and more products are personalized. People are more eager to have something personalized, and I think this is where it's a great thing to do, because everyone wants to have their name or their favorite star on it, or their favorite singer or artist or whatever.
Or Pikachu, like someone asked us, We did want Pikachu. I didn't know who was Pikachu.
Yeah.
Ayrton Senna, I know it is. Valentino Rossi, I know it is, but Pikachu?
So, which is good, because in a way it allows you as well to perhaps discover things that you would not know before.
Learning.
Yeah.
Always learning.
Life is all about learning, right?
Yes, and I like it very much.
Yeah. So
we've got one asks that are from K-pop. Do you know what is K-pop? Oh, neither did us. Korean pop.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Interesting.
That involves lots of research. And another one that we're making, it's for a cousin of mine that is a horse vet.
Okay.
So she wants something with the things from the horses, things that they wear. And again, let's research. That's nice.
How long does it take for you? And I believe it depends the request of the client, of course, but how long does it take to make one pair of shoes like you make it? More or less, huh?
It depends. If the artist is working full time, the ones that we did now about Valentino Rossi, it took 2 to 3 days. He's ending it right now. That's why I didn't send you the pictures yet, because I'm waiting that he ends them to put on the portfolio and then to send you everything.
Yep.
But normally Marco works, so and do it at night, and normally stays until 3-4 in the morning doing it, and he's an artist, so he likes it. Then it takes a little bit longer. But if you're totally dedicated to the project, about 3 days, yes.
Yeah. I can imagine, because I've seen different model that you've made on your Instagram, that you posted on your Instagram, also on your Facebook, and of course it will be linked in the description of the video, and it will be on the website as well, so people can already contact you if there is request, obviously. But I think it's so detailed what you're doing that I can so understand why it takes 3 days to actually make it, because you really go into the small details and everything. It's really, really amazing.
The artist is looking at me. Come and meet me.
Come with us. Come with us, Marco. Hello.
I'm working, sorry.
Don't worry. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
No worries. Thank you very much for showing up.
Sorry, it's working.
No worries. But yeah, it's
Okay.
so you sell them, of course, on Instagram. I mean, people can contact you throughout Instagram. They can, of course, contact you throughout Facebook, I believe.
Yes.
But do you have a website where you actually sell them, or
Yet.
not yet?
I don't have a website yet because I want to do it. And when all these things started, I was doing my first class how to do a website. And then with the virus, they called me and they said the course was cancelled.
Yeah.
And the other one that I was inscribed to, that was to start today, actually.
Okay.
It was also cancelled, and it was about digital marketing. So
Okay. Yeah.
waiting, but I'll do it.
Well, this is exactly why also I made this showcase, basically, because not just for people that sell products like you do, but also painting, but also music, but also anything like this, because I think in this moment where we are at the moment, it's really hard for all of us. There is not one field that is not touched but what's happening right now. I mean, I'm an artist as well on a total different field, and here in Porto, I'm a tour guide, so you can imagine that I have absolutely no tour. Everything has been cancelled, and that's life, you know. I mean, I'm not complaining more than anyone else because we are all at the same level right now, and this is a bit where the idea came from. How to give the possibility to people to see something new, how to show them something different, and of course, being in Porto and being in love with the city, I could only imagine myself with like all those artists and their creation and what they wanted to do to show to people. So I'm really happy that I could set that up for all of you guys, because I think
Yeah, happy to.
it's by helping each other that we will get further, and that we will become it will all be good.
But Jimmy, that's a very rare case. So I definitely congratulate you because you're doing something more than just promote art. You're doing something for people, you know. We feel very, I talked about me. I feel very good that you're on that side and that you want to help.
Well,
It's
thank
so
you.
rare.
You
It's so
know,
rare.
the world became lately so individualist, where we don't want to help people. We just think about ourselves and what we have here. And for me, life is about sharing. For me, life is about helping other people as well. So if I can help anyone that is in the showcase to develop themselves, to make connection, to meet new talents, at least my goal will be reached, and that's what is the more important for me. So I'm very excited. You're more than welcome. You're more than welcome. So, for people that are watching the showcase, of course, you know that what they're doing, beautiful shoes. You saw it during our interview because now we're recording, but of course, there will be videos on the top and photos showing your work at the same time. So, they will know exactly what you're making. I'm really excited to have you on board. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to be there with me right now. And I wish you all the best, and I hope that it will keep on going, very long time.
I believe we will have lots and lots of success. So that's
Well,
why we're making it. So
I'm 100% sure as well for it. So keep on going the good work, and thank you very much. Please stay safe and stay home. And as soon as we go out, then let's go have a drink.
of course, with our sneakers on.
Exactly.